Bajaj Auto Q3 Result net profit raised 19% to dash 2,503 crore, revenue up 19%. Bajaj Auto share price EBITDA jumps 22% to dash 3,161 crore and margin rose 20.8%. Our Bajaj Auto Q3 net profit rose 19% YOY to raise 2,502.81 crore. Revenue crossed 15,000 crore for first time, up 19% YOY. Electricity portfolio contribute 25% domestic revenue in Q3. Bajaj Auto reported a standalone net profit of 2,502.81 crore for the October-December quarter of the ongoing financial year 2026. The marks in 19% year-on-year raise from the 2,108.73 crore net profit reported in the corresponding quarter of the previous financial year. The net profit reported for Q3 financial year 26, however, included one-time exceptional cost of 61.32 crore in account for the impact of new labor code which look affected last year. The firm revenue from operation manual grew 19% YOY to 15,220.33 crore during the quarter under review. Notability, Bajaj also said that this was the first time this revenue crossed 15,000 crore mark, driven by record quarterly volume and the richer mix. The company had earlier reported revenue from operation at 12,806.85 crore in Q3 financial year 25. Expenses rose 18% YOY to 12,174.33 crore in Q3 financial year 2026. EBITDA jumps 2% to 3,161 crore and margin rose to 20.8%. The Qatar saw historic high retail on the back of sharp in the market execution during the festive season, while the rapid growth of the electric portfolio, which contribute to 25% of domestic revenue, saw it overtake last full year revenue in the middle of the quarter, the firm said.